Hi guys, welcome to Piss Poor Productions. We're doing a take on a turkey leek and ham grill pie. That's what it's supposed to look like, but when we're done with it, it's going to look
nothing like it at all.
Basically,
we have done this before.
We've done it before. Instead of doing turkey, we're doing chicken. So it's chicken, leek and ham, but it's not a grill pie. We're putting ours in the oven because it's better, I think. But that's just us. Anyway, I'll put the recipe in afterwards. There's 700 grams of floury potatoes, cut into small chunks.
Excuse me.
I've already mashed them.
And that we've actually put some cabbage in there, so it's like cocaine mash.
It's cocaine, and I've also put a teaspoon of mustard powder in there, which gives it just a nice little kick, which is quite nice. 500 grams of turkey mince. Well, we've got 300 grams of chicken. That'll do, and that's there. And we've got 200 grams of chopped ham, which is there. We've got 3 celery sticks, which is there. We've got garlic cloves, which is there. We've got leeks, which are there, chopped. We've got, it says dried sage, but we're putting mixed herbs in, it's a bit of everything.
Mushrooms?
We've got some mushrooms, which is our thing. Level tablespoon of plain flour there. We've got some chicken stock, which is over there. And we've got 4 tablespoons of natural yogurt there.
We used the super thick one.
And 50 grams reduced fat cheddar, grated there. So, we've already mashed the potato. So, all we're going to do is, where are we? We're going to put the chicken, the garlic, celery and the leeks and cook that in a wok, which is a bit easier for us, I think.
We prefer using a wok.
That can go in there. These can go in as well, and we'll mix them in. So, that's the only thing with garlic, it sticks. Get in. That can go there, and the leek. And what I'll do, I'll put the mushrooms in as well. We've got some mushrooms in there as well.
Because we like mushrooms.
We like mushrooms, we does.
Right. I'll hold that bit for you so you get 3 heads too. I'll do something.
You're going to do something, are you? You're a good girl. Right, helps with a spoon, just mix it all in, cook it.
And these are messy
It's supposed to be on medium. I want to turn it up a bit high just to...
Because the wok gets warm then.
Well, it was already warm because we've cooked the potatoes and then I've just left this on there. But probably not supposed to do that. There you go. And it's quite an easy, it's more prep than actual cook.
And it's prep that takes time.
Just leave that there. This is the time consuming part. You've got prep as well, but you've got to let this actually cook, and then you're going to put the stock in and let that simmer, and then you're going to put the ham in on top of that.
So what we'll do is we'll get back to you when this has cooked down a little bit.
That'd probably be best because they'll be bored with the video on, so I can't fault them, they'll be turning us off.
So we'll catch you in a minute or two.
See you in a minute.
See you in a minute.
Welcome back. We're back ready for the next stage, which is
salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper and some sage, but we're using mixed herbs because you've got a bit of everything then. Mix that in. Mix the flour in. Come on, out you come. I've got clean hands, honest. There. Mix that in.
Then do your salt and pepper.
I'll do a bit of salt and pepper.
A salt and battery? No, salt and pepper. It's smelling rather nice already.
It is. This is a nice dish. We've done this one before.
And it freezes down beautifully as well.
I'll just double check what we're doing. I think that's about it. I've now got to stir in the stock. Now it says 450ml, but we find that that's normally too much. Bring that to the boil, that can then go in for a wash.
And give it a good stir.
Yeah, good mix in. Oh, just not the camera.
Yes, you did.
Oh dear.
With your elbow.
And then put the ham in. This is all nicely chopped up.
I suppose I'm doing the washing up again, aren't
I'll do the washing up for you. And the reason I'm saying that is we've now got a dishwasher.
I? Yeah. It's weird when I say I'm doing the washing up, I do it. When you say you're doing the washing up, you put it in the dishwasher.
Yeah, that's a man thing. So, just let that simmer for a little while. And that is smelling really, really nice. There's that on there, that on there. That can go into the water.
So if you don't like any ingredients, you can always substitute it for something that you like.
Well, that's the thing. That's the whole point of cooking, is you change it all for what suits you. It's like we don't do curries, so we improvise. We have Chinese, or we do this instead. We're allergic to certain things, so just keep stirring that.
Mixing it all round.
And the whole point of a recipe is
You've got to get that hand mixed in a
put
bit
your
more.
own-
You've got a clump of hand there that is mixing in.
you put your own touch onto any of the cooking. So if everyone liked the same thing, it'd be boring. This is smelling really nice. I'm looking forward to having this. You enjoyed that, didn't you?
What?
I'm debunked. I've
No,
been
you're not,
sacked.
no, you've not been sacked yet. It's just that you walked away, so I sort of carried on.
I was moving the stray cat out of the way because he's now behind us again.
Ah.
Just keep stirring it, mix it all in. This is smelling really nice.
Can I eat
This
it now?
is-
Can I eat it now?
No, you can't.
Alright.
This is a really, really easy mix. It's just the prep that seems to,
Take forever.
and that I think is ready for the next stage. So you take the heat off my actual pan and put a little bit of lazy garlic in, because that just gives it,
Give that a stir.
give it a stir, but we need the next bit in.
No, but I've got to give that a stir
You do
first.
that, sorry.
I need to mix the garlic in. And I've got fresh garlic in it, but I just like garlic, so.
Right, basically, this is a very, very thick yoghurt.
It's the
4 tablespoons.
Yo extra thick yoghurt.
Move that to here, ready for the next bit.
See, I'm doing two things at once here.
You are. Can we have a go? Just keep stirring, get all the messing up the edge. Because if it's too hot, the yoghurt will curdle and it's awful. And then basically, we need to put this, transfer it. to
I'm coming
another
round, I'm
dish.
coming round, I'm coming round.
And here's one we made earlier.
I wished. It might sound a bit sloppy, but it does.
Sloppy, but once it's been in the oven for a bit,
it thickens up.
It does thicken up. Just get all the bits that you need. Just keep scraping it and get everything in. And then the potato goes on the top.
And then the cheese goes on the back.
It does.
The original recipe is out the Fast Feast books. Is out the Fast Feast.
It is. And there's the spoon as well. Just keep putting the mash. This can also be a boring meal, but if you do a little bit at a time, it spreads a lot easier and doesn't go into the mix. So they say. I'll still mess it up. And spread it with the back of the spoon and a fork. I'm looking forward to this. It's been a while since we've had it, so just keep spreading it. And most of that juice will disappear in the oven. I think that'll do. And then just sprinkle a little bit of cheese over the top just to crisp it up when it's in the oven. And then put that in a preheated oven at 180 for about 20 minutes. And I remember to do this time.
You remember to the timer?
I did.
So
come back in about 20 minutes, and like I say, that will look nothing like this, but by God, it tastes nice. So we'll see you in a minute or two.
see you in a minute.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's now 20 minutes in the oven, and it's looking rather nice. I will though take my glasses off before I open the oven.
Then you won't be able to see.
Oh yeah, there is that. That can close and return that. Oh, I always forget, and then wonder why I like high electric bills. And that is looking and smelling rather nice. So keep your glove on. Do the sides. That is looking rather nice.
Smells nice. You get 4 quite large portions out of it, really. I mean, we're not doing any extra veg for this because there's garlic in it and cabbage and...
Oh, well, I'll probably try with that. Let's try with that. Let's try it. That'll do.
And that looks really nice.
It smells nice and all.
Mm-hmm.
That is looking rather nice.
Then there's 2 to go in the freezer later.
And then all of these meals seem to freeze quite nicely, so I thought I'd get that spoon out to get any juice, but I don't think it needs it. I think that's all right.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'll do for the taster,
Blow it, it's going to be hot.
you reckon?
Yeah.
You can see it's steaming a bit. Oh. Yeah, that is really, really nice. You want that one or that?
I thought I'll have the one you haven't attacked, thank you very much.
Oh, okay. Anyway, this is really, really nice. And like I say, it's about half an hour altogether for cooking all this, and it's really easy. I'll put the recipe in afterwards. Like I say, the recipe is really for turkey, but you can do it with
And
chicken.
we've sort of changed a little bit to ours. We've done the cold cane mash instead of ordinary.
As you do.
So
enjoy, and we'll see you on the next video. See you
bye.
later, peoples.
Bye.